Hello, friends. Welcome back to English with Heart.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy you're here today.
Today, we have a special topic. We will talk about small talk.
Small talk? What is that?
Small talk is a short conversation, simple words, friendly talk, like, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice day today."
Oh, I see.
Small talk is very powerful. It helps you practice English, it helps you make new friends, and it makes you feel confident.
That sounds great.
So, friends, if you enjoyed this podcast, please click subscribe and give us a like.
Yes, we love your support.
Okay, let's start.
I have a problem.
Tell me, what's wrong?
When I meet new people, I feel shy. I don't know what to say in English.
Oh, I understand. Many students feel the same way.
Yes, I want to talk, but my mind goes blank. Nothing comes out.
That's very normal, don't worry.
But how can I fix this problem?
The answer is simple. Use small talk.
But I don't know how to do small talk.
Small talk is so easy. Let me show you.
Okay, I'm listening.
Small talk has simple topics. You can talk about the weather, you can talk about food, or hobbies, or your day.
Really? That's it?
Yes, that's it. Small talk is not complicated.
Can you give me some examples?
Of course. Here are some easy sentences. Ready?
Yes.
Number 1. Hi, how are you?
Oh, I know that one.
Number 2. Nice weather today, right?
Okay. That's easy.
Number 3. Do you like coffee?
I love coffee.
See, you're already doing it. Number 4. Where are you from?
These are really simple.
Exactly. Small talk uses simple words, simple questions, nothing scary.
But what if people ask me back? What do I say?
Just answer honestly. Keep it short and simple.
Can we practice?
Yes. Let's try. I will be a stranger. You start the small talk.
Okay. Hi.
Hi there.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's so sunny. I love it.
Me too. Do you like sunny days?
I do. Perfect for a walk.
Yes.
See, you just did small talk. That was perfect.
Really? But I was so nervous.
But you did it, and that's what matters.
Wow, I feel a little proud.
You should feel proud. Now, let me try being the stranger. You respond.
Okay.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please sit.
Thank you. My name is Sarah. What's your name?
I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Sometimes I like this coffee shop. The coffee is good here.
Oh, nice. I love coffee too. What do you usually order?
I like cappuccino. How about you?
I love latte.
Ha, we both love coffee.
Perfect. That was excellent small talk.
Thank you. It feels easier now.
See, when you practice, it gets easier, step by step.
But I have another question.
Go ahead.
What if I make a mistake? What if my grammar is wrong?
Listen carefully. This is very important.
I'm listening.
Making mistakes is okay. It's completely normal.
Really?
Yes, when you do small talk, people don't care about perfect grammar.
They don't?
No, they care about connection. They want to be friendly. They want to talk to you.
That makes me feel better.
Good. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to keep talking.
Keep talking. I like that.
Yes, even if you say, I go yesterday instead of I went yesterday, people will still understand you.
Haha, that's true.
So don't be afraid. Just speak. Just try.
Okay, I will try.
And here's another secret.
What is it?
Small talk makes you brave.
Brave. How?
When you practice small talk every day, you feel more confident.
Oh.
You talk to the cashier at the store, you talk to your neighbor, you talk to someone on the bus.
And then it becomes easier.
Exactly. Every small conversation is practice. Every practice makes you stronger.
I never thought about it like that.
And there's more.
Tell me,
Small talk is the first step to real friendship.
really?
Yes, every big friendship starts with small talk. You say hello, you ask a simple question, you smile, and then maybe you become friends.
That's so cool.
Me too. And friends, you can do this too.
Yes, everyone can do small talk.
Okay, let's remember the important points today.
Yes, let's review.
Number one, small talk is easy and helpful.
It's not scary.
Number two, you don't need perfect grammar.
Just speak. Just try.
Number three, use simple topics. Weather, food, hobbies, your day.
Easy topics for easy conversation.
Number four, just smile, ask questions, and answer.
Be friendly and be yourself.
Number five, small talk makes you confident. It opens doors to friendship.
Every small conversation is practice.
Exactly. So, what will you do now?
I will try small talk every day. I will talk to people without fear.
That's wonderful. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for listening today, friends.
We hope you enjoyed this podcast.
Please subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends.
Help us grow this beautiful community.
And remember, friends,
What should they remember?
every big friendship starts with small talk.
Perfect. See you next time.
Goodbye, friends. Keep practicing.
Bye.